Hello, beautiful artist. Repeat after me. Art smock on, tie it in the back, art hat on. Make sure you are looking good. Make sure you are feeling cute. Make sure you are feeling strong. Make sure you are feeling smart. Make sure you are showing love. Take my paintbrush, dip it in unicorn paint. I am writing A-R-T spells art. I'm an artist. I'm going to college. Today I will draw a dabbing unicorn. Today this video goes out to my friend Miri because Miri asked me, how do you draw a unicorn, Miss Shubo? If there's something you want to draw, ask me and I will make it happen for you.
Alrighty, my beautiful artists. For this project, like I said, you'll need paper and something to draw with. And we are drawing a dabbing unicorn. The first thing I'm going to do for my unicorn is I'm going to draw its nose, which is going to be a rectangle with 2 dots. Then I'm going to draw the first arm. So I'm going to find the corner of the rectangle and I'm going to draw a diagonal line going out. And I'm making a rectangle. I'm going to bring this line a little bit past the line that I started. And then I'm just going to connect it to the bottom corner. I can draw the little hoof also. Then I'm going to draw the unicorn's head. I'm going to start the head right here in the middle of where the rectangle is. I'm just going to go around and stop at the arm. Then I want my unicorn to like really be in the moment. So I made its eyes closed. I can make the other eye here. Then we have to make the other arm for the dab. And the other arm is going to follow the same diagonal line. So you can even take your finger before you start. You can go like this to know where to go. So I know I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a diagonal line. And I'm going to turn it into a rectangle. And then I can color in the hoof. Okay, so I have my unicorn's head. Awesome possum. Now we're going to go ahead and start the body. So I'm going to make a line going down and out for one leg. And then here I'm going to make it going out like this. And then to connect the legs, I'm going to make a rainbow line. Then to make it look like my unicorn has hooves, I'm going to make a rainbow line that kind of goes outside, then color it in. I'll show you again. I'm going to start at the corner. I'm going to make a rainbow line that goes outside, and then I'll color it in. Then I'll go ahead and I'll start adding the tail. For the tail, we can use a wavy line that's really partying, just like our unicorn. And then obviously a unicorn has a mane. So here's how we're going to start the mane. Well, first we're going to add the ears actually. So the first ear will go in the head like this, and I'm going to draw a triangle and then another triangle inside. And the other ear is going to go over here on the outside line. I'll draw a triangle and then another triangle inside. Okay, then we're going to use zigzag lines for the mane. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make some zigzags. I'll stop at the arm and then I'll keep making zigzags, connect it with the body. Then I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to give some more mane over here if you want. I'm going to use zigzag lines and then connect it. And then there's one last thing, obviously, that a unicorn needs, which is the horn. So for the horn, you can draw a U shape. I'm going to make a line. Draw a U shape, then make a line. Draw a U shape, then make a line. When you're at the very top, you make a triangle. Now, this is all fun and dandy. I might add a little belly, but I want to color my unicorn and I want it to be super bright. You can color your unicorn however you want. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna color mine. Now, your dabbing unicorn is obviously having a great time, but we can add more details, more background for our unicorn. So, I'm gonna add a little disco ball because he's having such a good time. I'm gonna make a line going down. Then I'll add a circle. Now, right now, it doesn't look like a disco ball, but watch. I'm gonna start at this middle point and I'll make a middle point at the bottom. And I'm gonna make a curved line from the top to the bottom. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start at the point, make a curved line, end at the point. So cool how it's starting to look like a sphere. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Start at the point, make a curved line, end at the other point, start at the point, make a curved line, end at the other point. You can see our disco ball starting to form. We can make 2 points on the sides of our disco ball and do the same thing. Start at the point, make a curved line, end at the point. Start at the point, make a curved line, end at the point. So we have our disco ball. We can add some stars to show that it's shining. And to make a star, we can make a plus sign. We can make an X. We can make an X plus 1, 2. And then I'm just gonna go ahead, and I know that unicorns like rainbows, like most people. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a rainbow dance floor. I'm gonna start with red because that's the first color of the rainbow. And I'm just making a line and coloring it. I hope you enjoyed making a dabbing unicorn. I can't wait to see what they turn out like when you're done. Post it on Instagram, tag Kip, K-A-C-P, so we can brag about your awesome dancing unicorns. Bye.